Michelle here again, and today I want to talk to you about the Portion Fix containers, okay? So you would have actually received these containers with your package in the mail, okay? And so a lot of people think that you actually only fill these containers once and then that's it for the day, but that's not true. You're actually going to fill them multiple times. And this blue one is just to, if you're making a salad or anything that you want to make, you can just dump them in here and it's kind of like a bigger container for yourself. So you're also going to get this booklet, and in this booklet, if you open it up, you actually receive on page 8, you can actually start to, 7, you can actually start to figure out your calorie count, okay? You don't actually have to log in to do that, which they've changed that, which is amazing. And then it continues by selecting which program you're gonna do and then which calorie baseline you're gonna be, okay? Now, I suggest that if you are a beginner to these programs and you're a beginner to at-home workouts, I highly suggest starting with the 21-day fix. It's going to give you a good grip on using the containers, portion control. The exercises are, it's an easier program, but you will get epic results. My first challenge, I lost 14 pounds, 21 inches when I first did 21-day fix, okay? If you're more advanced and you do work out often, then you could start with 21-day fix extreme. And then once you complete one of these programs, then we'll select your next program together. You also would have got a Shakeology cup, okay? You do not want to just put the powder in with water and shake and go. It will be disgusting. You will hate it. You will wonder why anybody drinks this. Once you become seasoned with Shakeology, then you can do that sort of thing. But I suggest you would have got an outline of multiple different Shakeology recipes. Try that. My favorite is cafe latte or chocolate blended with some almond milk, some water, some ice, peanut butter, half a banana. Make it delicious. All of that falls into your calorie, your container count to make it delicious, okay? I think that covers the containers. I think that covers your Shakeology. Your Shakeology is not, sorry, my dog is playing with a ball. The Shakeology is not a protein powder drink. So I'm also gonna be sharing with you in the group a little bit more about what it does for you. It's gonna help with your digestive system. It feeds your body with over 77 different superfoods that we would never typically eat. So we'll be chatting a little bit more about that. So you guys have a great day. If you have any questions about this stuff and what it does, let me know. Last but not least, the thing I want to talk to you about is meal prepping and preparing for these fitness programs, okay? So you want to go through your cupboards, you want to clean out any sort of temptations that you have. Like, I know for me personally, ice cream is my jam. I would take a tablespoon and eat it straight out of the bucket, daily. But now I keep ice cream out in the garage, in the freezer. It's kind of like a special treat, but it's out of sight, out of mind. If you have things that in your house that are gonna tempt you, that you typically grab for, like chocolate chips or maybe some peanut butter, you want to limit it. You wanna get it out of the house. You want to put it somewhere where you're not gonna be grabbing for it so that you can break that habit, right? The next thing that you want to do is, for me personally, what works best is to prepare one dish for the week for my lunches. So I usually have my shake for breakfast, I'll have my snack in the morning, and then for lunch, I might make up like a shepherd's pie, like a healthier version of shepherd's pie, dish it out into containers, and I've got my lunches grab and go. I will also make up mason jar salads, put them in the fridge. They will last for the day. If you go on Pinterest, you'll see tons of mason jar salads. But you can actually make them up for the day, for the week, grab and go. And then dinners, I always do differently. So you can check out the meal plan that'll be attached to this email. And by all means, you don't have to prep everything for the week, but just have your vegetables, your yogurt, all that stuff ready to go. You'll see in the group, some people prep like some fresh granola, or they'll make like some healthy muffins or breakfast oatmeal cups. It's whatever works for you. There's no like said, yes, this is the way you have to do it to prepare you for the week. What I will say is, if you fail to plan, you'll plan to fail. Guilty of it right here. I always have to have a plan or else it's not gonna work out for me. So if you have any questions about anything else to get prepared for this week, little switches that you might want to make, the things that I can think of off the top of my head would be like bringing some almond milk into the house or switching to all natural peanut butter. all of that sort of stuff. Anything else, just send me a message and I'm more than happy to walk you through anything that you need. Other than that, grab those before photos, grab those before measurements and that before weight, and I like to say those are my goodbye photos. We're not going back, we're not looking back, we're just looking forward from here on out. So have an amazing day, and I will talk to you soon.